So, sa product performance naman po ng Anime Central, ito po yung best-selling items po namin for this month of October. First po is yung customized with orders po na total na 30 and 6,315 po na sales. Next naman po is yung Demon Slayer University Series with 26 orders, total po is 5,650. Next naman po is yung Studio Ghibli Face Design with 23 orders, total po is 4,383. Next naman po is yung Pokemon Character Half Face with 12 orders, total po is 2,410. Next naman po is yung University Series na Pokemon Design with 10 orders with 2,212 po yung total. Next naman po is yung Jujutsu Kaisen University Series Design, 8 orders, total po is 1,730. And next po is yung Free Anime University Collection, 7 orders, total po is 1,692. Then, last po is yung Hunter x Hunter. Total po ng 5 orders and 956 sales. Ang total sales po is 28,885 with total transaction po na 71.